Indian police arrested 4 innocent Kashmiri youth in Srinagar. The police arrested the youth for their affiliation with the ongoing freedom movement. The police dubbed the arrested youth as members of a Mujahid organization to justify their illegal detention. 2 shops were damaged today in a fire incident in North Kashmir's Baramulla district. Officials said that the fire broke out in the Hurriyat Patan market, in which 2 shops belonging to Masarrat Ahmad Khan and Mushtaq Ahmad Khan were gutted. They said that no loss of life or injury was reported in the blaze. They said cause of the fire is being ascertained and further investigation has been launched. Transporters in Sopore town of Baramulla district have started an indefinite strike against authorities' move of accommodating illegal taxis in General Bus Stand in the town. The transporters assembled at General Bus Stand of the town to protest against the administration's move. Chairman of the minibus owners Sajjad Ahmed said that it was unanimously decided in the meeting that all the transport vehicles will remain off the roads from today till the demand is met. India's notorious National Investigation Agency's court has refused to grant interim bail to prominent Muslim leader and founder chairman of Popular Front of India, Abu Bakr, after deterioration of his health in jail. The 70-year-old Muslim leader is currently lodged in New Delhi's Tihar Jail for a case investigated by the NIA under provision of the draconian law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. The all-parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar has urged the G20 countries to play their role in the resolution of Kashmir dispute. Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement issued in Islamabad, said the G20 leaders, who are meeting for a 2-day summit hosted by the Indonesian G20 presidency in Bali, must realize the fact that the grouping strategy's role in securing future global economic cooperation, growth and prosperity was not possible without the resolution of disputes.